Welcome to Jefferson Island Storage and Hub, or JISH, an AGL Resources facility. We're glad you're here. Right now, you are standing at the heart of an operations center that supports a major component of our nation's energy industry: the safe, reliable storage of natural gas, ready when it's most needed. Just across the road, deep beneath the surface of Lake Penieur, our natural gas storage caverns connect to pipelines. Those pipelines provide natural gas to JISH customers, who look to us to help them meet the needs of their customers in Louisiana and across much of our country. The monitors you see in the JISH Control Center provide instant access to plant and cavern operations, manned by trained professionals 24 hours a day, every day of the year. We would like you to spend the next few minutes reviewing our JISH site safety and security policy. Please listen carefully to ensure you have a safe and productive visit. Let's start with security. All visitors to JISH begin with an appointment with a JISH site administrator or employee. Our facility is enclosed with a locked gate. The gate phone is there to contact our plant operator or other site personnel before guests or contractors can proceed to the visitor parking area. Check-in takes place in the main control room building, where visitors meet a JISH employee. We ask that all visitors and contractors please sign in on our guest register log and show a form of photo identification. Visiting company employees should wear their company ID badges. While here, visitors are accompanied by a JISH employee at all times, unless working under a permit. The site is divided into two basic areas: non-processing and processing. The non-processing areas include the control room, offices, restroom, food and beverage, and designated smoking area. In these areas, hard hats, hearing protection, and other safety gear is not required, and cell phones may be used. Processing areas encompass all other areas of the facility, including but not limited to the inlet area, compressor buildings, metering and separation area, leaching plant, raw water and brine disposal wells, and material storage areas. Unless otherwise notified, visitors must be accompanied by a site employee in the processing areas. Your JISH host will provide you with personal protective equipment, including a hard hat, earplugs, and safety glasses as needed, and will instruct you on safety procedures. Visitors who go in the processing areas of the site must wear long pants and closed shoes. Anyone working in the processing areas must wear approved safety shoes, such as steel-toe boots. The following are not allowed in the processing areas: no open-toe or high-heel shoes, no dresses, no shorts, no sleeveless shirts, no tank tops or loose-fitting jewelry. Smoking, eating, and drinking are not permitted in the processing areas. Only site-approved cell phones and cameras may be used. Pictures may be taken only after receiving approval from the supervisor or plant operator. Let's discuss emergencies. You will hear various alarms during your visit, which are routine and part of normal operating process. But if you hear this type of alarm,
emergency shutdown of facility,
please report immediately to the site gathering area at the front gate. A head count will be conducted to ensure the safety of everyone on the site. You need to wait at the designated area for further instructions. The primary hazard on site that you should be aware of is associated with the processing of high-pressure natural gas. Natural gas is flammable and can lead to an explosion and/or fire if an ignition source is present. This is why you cannot smoke or create any type of spark in the processing area. If you feel uncomfortable for any reason while in the processing area, please ask a JISH employee for guidance. In summary, please remember these 4 points to ensure a safe visit to our JISH facility for your security and safety. Number 1. Upon arriving, identify yourself and the reason for your visit. Number 2. Obey all hazardous signs and precautions, including smoking only in designated smoking areas. Number 3. Wear your personal protective equipment in processing areas. Number 4. Stay with your local host unless working under an approved work permit. Thank you for your time and attention. We take a lot of pride in JISH, the work we do, and the contributions we make to our parish, our state, and our nation. We encourage you to have a safe and productive visit, and don't forget to sign out when you depart.